The intention of this deep sleep meditation is to help you relax your body so you can easily transcend into peaceful, restorative sleep. Your body deserves a deep sleep meditation. Your body has been working hard for you today. So the intention of today's meditation is to deeply relax your body so you can easily transcend into peaceful, restorative sleep. Let's begin by closing your eyes and adjusting your body so it's in your most comfortable sleeping position. Take a deep breath in and breathe all the way out. Now let your body sink further into your position, working out any kinks and adjusting yourself as necessary. And then come to your breath. Be here with your breath for a bit. Feeling your chest and stomach rise with each breath in and fall with every breath out. Rise as you breathe in, fall as you breathe out. Bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel it warm and soften. And as you breathe out all the tension you're holding here, maybe around your temples or the forehead, and feel your head lighten. Now bring your attention to your face, feeling your eyelids get heavier and your cheeks soften. Unclench your jaw, naturally separating your lower jaw from the top of your mouth, moving your lower jaw from side to side until you find its most comfortable position. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release all the tension that you held in your forehead, your temples, your eyes, your jaw, your cheeks, your mouth, your chin. Feel your face warm and soften. Now, bring your attention to your neck and your shoulders. Lower your shoulders away from your ears. And as you breathe in, imagine your neck stretching, releasing any pressure on your spine. And when you breathe out, exhale any tension. Feel yourself melt into your bed a little deeper. Now feel your arms as they lay on your bed, as your attention focuses on them. Feel them soften. With each breath in, imagine your arms getting warmer. And with each breath out, feel them heavier beside you. Breathing in, getting warmer. Breathing out, getting heavier. Feel your fingers and hands Soften and let your arms, hands, and fingers relax deeper into your bed. Now bring your attention to the soft beating of your heart in your chest. Imagine a golden light emanating from your heart, warming your body from its center. Feel this golden light spread throughout your whole body and soak in gratitude for its love, its magic, its life-giving energy, and relax your body a little more into your bed. Now soften your stomach. If there's any discomfort, let your in-breath soothe it as your out-breath releases it. And just relax your stomach deeper into sleep. Now feel the warmth on your back as you bring your attention to it. Imagine a warm glow softening all the muscles in your back, allowing them to relax deeper into your comfortable sleeping position. Feel that warm energy travel down to your legs, into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your ankles, your feet, and your toes. Feel the heaviness of your legs on your bed, imagining them melting, melting, melting deeper into sleep. Your body is amazing, and she has given you the blessing of working for you today, even through pain, discomfort, and challenges. Your body is here with you, one with you, and ready to surrender to the sleep you deserve, the sleep your body needs to work for you again tomorrow. As you breathe in, fill your body with gratitude. As you breathe out, let her fall deeper into sleep. Breathe in gratitude. Breathe out deeper into sleep. Namaste.